All right, let's talk about something really important today. We're going to walk through a crucial spyware audit you can do for your parents, your grandparents, or really anyone you care about. Seriously, this quick 5-minute check could save them from a really common and honestly devastating tech scam that preys on their trust. So let's jump right in.
We are not wasting any time here. If you see icons like these on a loved one's computer desktop, you need to act immediately. This isn't just about a slow computer or some annoying pop-up. We're talking about a major security breach hiding in plain sight.
So what exactly are we dealing with? Well, this threat is especially tricky because it's not a normal virus. It's not the kind of thing your antivirus software is built to hunt down. Scammers have gotten really clever, and they figured out how to turn perfectly legitimate, even helpful tools into weapons against the most vulnerable people.
And this right here really gets to the heart of the misunderstanding. We all tend to think of computer threats as these viruses that sneak onto a system, right? But this is totally different. The scammers don't infect the computer. They trick the person using it into installing a remote control tool. They basically get them to hand over the keys to their own house.
Now here's the wild part. These programs themselves aren't malicious at all. Tools like AnyDesk or TeamViewer, they're used every single day by IT professionals to provide remote support. It's how a technician can see your screen and move your mouse to fix a problem from miles away. The software is totally legitimate. The problem is when a scammer convinces someone to install it under false pretenses.
So, these are the exact programs you need to be looking for. Try to memorize these icons: AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and UltraViewer. What scammers will do is call someone up, pretending to be from Microsoft or their internet provider, and they'll say, hey, there's a problem with your computer, and we need you to install one of these tools so we can fix it for you.
The second that software is installed, it becomes the scammer's master key. And I mean, it's not just about them seeing the screen. It grants them complete, unrestricted control over the entire machine. Anything your parent can do on their computer, the scammer can now do too, but from anywhere in the world.
And this is how a little bit of access can turn into a total disaster fast. First, they take control of the mouse and keyboard. From there, they can start digging through private files, looking for passwords or financial statements. They can log right into online banking, transfer money out, and then, to cover their tracks, they might install more malware or even ransomware, locking your loved one completely out of their own computer for good.
So it all boils down to this one simple rule of thumb. Just ask yourself, does my mom or my dad or my grandparent work in IT? Do they ever need to provide remote computer support as part of their job? If the answer is no, and you see one of these programs installed, you can be almost positive that a scammer put it there. Okay, I know all that sounds pretty terrifying, but here's the good news. Taking back control is actually pretty straightforward if you find this software. So let's go over your clear, actionable 3-step plan to immediately shut down the threat and get that computer secure again.
Okay, step 1, and this is the most important. Disconnect that computer from the internet right away. Unplug the cable, turn off the Wi-Fi, whatever it takes. This instantly cuts the scammer's connection. It's like slamming the door in their face. Step 2, go into the system settings and properly uninstall that remote access program. Get it off there. And step 3, if you even suspect they saw any financial info, call the bank immediately and report potential fraud.
And that's really the bottom line, isn't it? Taking 5 minutes the next time you visit just to glance at their desktop and check their installed programs, it's such a tiny investment of your time. But as we've just seen, it can prevent a whole world of financial loss, stress, and just total heartache.
So, I'll just leave you with this question. As you're listening to this, who comes to mind? Is it a parent, a neighbor, a friend? Make a plan to do this simple audit for them. It is truly one of the most effective things you can do to protect the people you care about online. So, whose computer will you check first?